Guys, we are here and the puja is here and Ballara is here, the Gamakkar Jatni. Today we have a launch and the launch is superb and of course it is a launch of Goan theme. As you can see Puja Ballara and you will see me as well. I'll just show you guys me. Now you can see me, so we all are in Goan theme. So we have a launch of Goan Classic and we have Abhishek Singh Rana sir, retired colonel from the Indian Army, and Sapan is also here, and of course the girl is here, the Azu is here, Weber is here. So it's going to be a fantastic launch. Goan Classic. बाइक देख के ना अपने आप से ना चुम्मा निकलता मुंह से. पहले आने का मूड नहीं था लेकिन फिर बाइक देखी उसके बाद तो भाई साहब दिल निकाल लिया इस बाइक ने. So we'll go abhi inside and we will see what is the bike and the launch party. Stay tuned. So the company store of Royal Enfield Saket, that's Lalpari. Lalpari is here and lots of Pariyas are here and today we are going to unveil another Pari and भाई साहब बाइक को देख के ना वो फील आता है 80s वाला. 80s का दौर वापस आ जाता है. हेलो सर, हाउ आर यू? हे सर, कैसे हो आप? कैसे सर? अरे वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सो द classic and the classic showroom is here. We are entering and the team is here. Hi everyone. Hi. So the team is gathering and ये beauty जो है वो छुपी हुई है अभी. So अभी हम देख नहीं सकते हैं. We have two beauties out here to be launched and एक कलर तो आप सबने देख ही लिया होगा, which is this one and this is so beautiful, so god damn beautiful. मेरा दिल कर रहा है कि मैं इसको एक एडिशन को अपने पास रखूं और ये मैं आप सबसे प्रॉमिस करता हूं अगर आपने इस वीडियो को लाइक किया, शेयर किया और खूब सारा मेरे को पैसा कमाया तो डेफिनेटली आई एम गोना बाय दिस बाइक. Stay wild, Royal Enfield Goan, stay class. Yes, of course, this is the class. And थोड़ी देर बाद इस पे से पर्दा उठेगा and we will all see what is there inside. So थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं and we gonna see this beautiful beauty with our own eyes. मेरे से तो वेट नहीं हो रहा है. हालांकि मैं आज सुबह राइड पे निकला हुआ था लालपरी के साथ. इट्स अ संडे मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट राइड and it was an again amazing ride. So many beautiful bikes are here यार. रॉयल इनफील्ड ने ना कमाल कर दिया. This is petrol green. I told you ना, मैं 650 petrol green, amazing looking bike. Wow. And thank you for liking the video so much. I'm so grateful to you all guys. So things are happening and this is actual beauty which I'm going to take soon. So stay tuned. Over the period of time, you know, Royal Enfield ने अपने आप को इतना चेंज किया है, इतना ड्रास्टिक चेंज किया है. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई हैव माई 71 मॉडल बाइक एंड उसके साथ भी बहुत सारी यादें हैं. आपने वो बाइक भी देखी है लेकिन अब जो बाइकें आ रही हैं डेफिनेटली दिल निकल जाता है उन्हें देख के और दिल करता है कि सारी की सारी जितनी भी रेंज है ना ये आपके पास होनी चाहिए. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है, आप कमेंट करके बताइए आपको कैसा लगता है कि रॉयल एनफील्ड वाकई में धमाल कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. हालांकि कई बार क्या होता है कई चीज़ें हमारे हिसाब से नहीं होती तो हमें थोड़ा सा अटपटा लगता है. बट डेफिनेटली द बाइक्स आर दिल निकालो. बेयर 650, सुपर मीडियो 650, नाउ दिस क्लासिक गोवन. इट्स एन अमेजिंग बाइक. देख के ना मन करता है चूम लूँ. तो वेट नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से बट थोड़ी देर में हम अनवील करने वाले हैं इस ब्यूटी को जो मेरे पास है यहाँ इस समय मेरे पीछे है. तो इसको अनवील करेंगे एंड आई एम गोना शो यू हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इज द बाइक.
Thank you so much for coming out. As you know, Royal Enfield has been doing a lot of launches lately. We've been coming into different segments. So it's time we come into the bobber segment. Bobbers, as you know, they are very chillax, fun motorcycles. But the main thing that they bring is style. They're very stylish. And that's what we wanted from this motorcycle. We wanted a very stylish motorcycle that you can chill, you can enjoy, you can vibe with. And in a way, this is a love letter from Royal Enfield to the 70s and 80s free culture, which you still get to see in Goa now. I don't think it's there anywhere else in India, but we used to get to see that, and I'm sure a lot of people here have experienced that culture. So the best thing about this motorcycle is it's going to come fully loaded. Like things like tubeless spoke wheels, aluminium tubeless spoke wheels, in this price, no one is giving you as a standard fitment. All LED lights, you have a wider rear, white wall tires specially made for this motorcycle, and we have the reliable 350cc J series engine that we've already proven on the field. The best part about this motorcycle, and I'm sure you will all see that, is the comfort level of this motorcycle. If you are a person who's not aiming at reaching somewhere very fast or want to jump over terrain, this is the perfect motorcycle to have, especially if you're looking for something for a daily and weekend rides. So I would like to call Arzu, and we also have Colonel Rana here. Yes, fantastic. So Arzu is a customer definitely, and I heard you also came in especially for this motorcycle.
Yes,
Right?
especially for this.
Especially for this.
The Goan.
So yes, so I guess enough of waiting. Why don't we reveal the brand new Goan Classic? Come.
Where should I start?
All right. 1, 2, 3. All right.
We have Colonel Rana here, retired from Indian Army, and he unveiled the bike just now. I wanted to know from Mr. Rana. So, how do you feel about the bike?
It's a lovely bike, and it's a Goan Classic now already. What I can make out.
And what about your? I got to know that you are from Goa, sir, itself.
Yes, I have roots in Goa. My mother was a Goan, so this is a perfect bike for me.
So you automatically get attached to the bike
Of course,
as it is with the Goan feel in it.
of course, it is forever Goan.
Thank you.
There's another color here, and I would request all our prestige women riders to please come to that side. All our women riders, I would really request.
So the bike is here and it's looking
There's no Bobber 650.
wow. Wow. B chota word hai. Guys, wow,
See, the
B
Bobber,
chota word hai.
B650
It's
is
looking
already a short gun.
so
It's not a Bobber,
goddamn
but it's a very
beautiful.
Design of it.
Beautiful.
All right, ready? 2, 1, yeah!
Especially meant for the women.
I guess this is a very special color. It gives a proper Goan vibe.
It's a Goan bike, yeah. And Pooja is especially in the dress, matching to the bike. Yeah, yes. Goan vibes today. Amazing, amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, we present you the Goan Classic. Wow. I to love this bike. Too beautiful and too good. So sexy. What do you say, guys? What do you say about this bike? Amazing. And yes, of course, खूबसूरती की मिसाल हमारे संजय भैया जिन्होंने किया इस बाइक को स्टार्ट एंड लेट्स हियर द साउंड ओह वाओ दिस इज द साउंड दिस इज द साउंड ओह या वन मोर throttle up sound is beautiful the road presents we need to look up with that So as you know guys, the bike has been revealed and launched in India. प्राइस अभी बताया नहीं गया हम लोगों को, तो प्राइस थोड़ा सरप्राइज है. बट आपको कैसी लगी भाई? क्या कहते हो, ऐसी एक बाइक आपके गैराज में खड़ी होनी चाहिए या नहीं? भाई मेरा तो दिल है कि मेरे गैराज में ये बाइक होनी चाहिए. द बाइक इज लुकिंग सो ऑसम, सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड फैंटास्टिक, एंड आई नो you guys loved the bike as well, and do comment, do like, do share, and do let me know if you like the bike. जल्दी मिलते हैं एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद. टेक केयर, बाय बाय.